You will see free view on the bottom of your screen. Free view means you can move around and model in this view. Click on the plus symbol next to it to create a view. Your view is now created as view 1. Click on that to select that view. Then select the settings button next to it and check the lock view option. Now your view is locked so that the view you have set does not change. You can go back to free view to make any changes to the model again. You can also rename the view if you want. Let's see how we can create rich floor plans and elevations for our presentations. Click on the settings next to any of the view options that you have created. When you click that, you will be able to see a rich floor plan option. In this view, you can see the textures of your floor and furniture is reflected. This sort of a view is typically used in your presentations. To create an orthographic view of your model, click on the settings button next to the view option. Herein, select Orthographic Camera. On the left hand side of your screen, you will get an option to select from which side you want to view. I'll select left and you can see the front view of this particular elevation. You can create rich elevations of your models for presentation purpose in this way.